everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day. I am only working 3 hours today, so I did 10 till 1 and I was too tired this morning to film while I was making my breakfast, but I had that about 9:30 and I will insert the footage here. I just had strawberry yoghurt that's Alpro. You can get a whole tub for four or 4.5 cents, I can't remember, but I just have 100 grams and I count that as 1 cent. And then I just chopped up some strawberries, chucked in some raspberries, and that was my breakfast. Sometimes I'm not that hungry in the mornings and that's what I tend to usually have, and then I am saving my B choice for lunchtime. So it's almost 1:30. I am wanting to make a pizza out of a Weight Watchers wrap. They didn't have any Weight Watchers wraps in Sainsbury's when I was there last night, so I've just got these Be Good wraps. I'll show you in a minute, and I'm gonna just stick some veggies and maybe some of the vegan corn chicken slices. I'll just wait and see. Just throw a load of veg on, see how it turns out. I've never made them before, but I really fancied something like kind of like a pizza. So I really should have planned this better. I've got the washing machine on with some of my trainers, so it'll be really noisy in the kitchen, so that's why I'm filming here. But I'll take you through to the kitchen to show you the wraps and then how I make my pizza. So these are the wraps I was telling you about. They are Sainsbury's Be Good to Yourself, less than 3% fat. Like I said, couldn't find the Weight Watchers ones in Sainsbury's, so I just got these, and I'm going to count this as my Health Extra B for the day. It's not even that big a wrap. I'm not sure how big the Weight Watchers ones are because I've never had them, but hopefully this will fill me up. I'm going to do a little side salad as well, and we'll see how it goes.
Felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you, soon enough.
So that's 35 grams of the Daiya cheese that I've used. You get a 40-gram allowance, but I never ever use the 40 grams, I just feel it's too much. So I've got that, I've got mushrooms cut up, and I've got onion and peppers that were frozen, but I've chucked them in the microwave for a little bit just to soften and get the extra moisture out. And then to top it off, I've got this vegan corn chicken free slices. So I'm going to put all that on top of the pizza and pop it in the grill for a few minutes.
Everything started to change, 'cause there's no going back, no going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that, I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Okay, that's my lunch sorted. I ended up putting it in for just over 5 minutes and it's nice and crispy. So I've got that pizza, I've made up my little salad. It's just a sweet and crispy mix from Sainsbury's, and then I added in cucumber, tomato and red onion, and I've used a tablespoon of Aldi's own light French dressing, half a tin per tablespoon. And then I'm also having a Diet Coke. I've just came through to the living room to tell you about the sins because it's noisy with the washing machine. So I meant to tell you breakfast was 1 sin, and then lunch is using my Healthy Extra B, a Healthy Extra A for the cheese, and half a sin for the French dressing. Everything else is free or speed food. So far for the day I am on 1.5 sins, which is not too bad. Hello, so it's actually a new day today. What ended up happening yesterday was my mum and dad, my dad's not long had cataract surgery on his eye, so he usually cooks the dinner, so I offered to go round and cook them dinner, and they hadn't tried the Mayflower curry sauce yet, so we had that. and I just thought I'm not going to bother filming it because I've literally had it every other what I eat in a day video. So instead it's the next day and it's lunchtime, so for lunch I decided to do something a little bit different, and I thought I would show you what I'm having. And then I'm going to end the video by telling you what sins I had yesterday, and I'll show you the little diary that I write everything in. So first of all, I'll show you my lunch. This is my lunch here. I've got Poppy babysitting. We're babysitting Poppy today, aren't we? And she's wanting me to play with her ball. So for my lunch I'm having orzo pasta as a little change. I've not had it for ages. So I've got mushrooms, onion, garlic, cumin, I think that's it. I cooked all that and then I boiled the orzo pasta in a pot with 1 stock cube, gave it some extra flavour, and then I mixed them all together and put a little bit of the chilli salt on top. So yeah, that's my lunch for today. It's all free: onions, mushrooms, speed, corn, chicken pieces, free. All the spices and garlic, speed, all the spices are free, and orzo's free. So yeah, really yummy lunch and very filling. Something a little bit different, and I've got leftovers for tomorrow as well. So this is my little food diary. As you can see, I've got lots of speed food in there, fair amount of free food, and then I didn't have a second healthy extra A, but I had the Daiya cheese and the Weight Watchers wrap for the pizza, and all my sins are here. So ended on 5.5 for the day, which is amazing. It really varies from day to day, but this is quite a low sin day for me. And then I entered my body magic here. That's 20 minutes of walking around the centre. So that's an example of what I eat in a day.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I wasn't